Lawyers, so you've been seeing those fun short videos that other law firms are posting pretty much every day, and you're probably saying to yourself, how in the heck do they have the time to post all these cute videos and still go to court and practice law? This video today is about how we're doing it for other law firms just like yours, and how we can do it for you if you like and resonate with the idea. Also, this video is meant to just inspire you in case you just want to do it yourself. So let's jump in. So what's in today's video? The process of filming you virtually and what content you should talk about. Also, we're going to talk about what gear to get, and I'm going to show you a couple of samples. So let's talk about the process of filming you. Prior to filming you, I like to send you a pile of frequently asked questions so that you can kind of get an idea about what we're going to film. These are usually a jumping off place for us. And then we go into talking just naturally, like about what you guys are doing in the community, what kind of cases you're handling, some stories about what's going on with your law firm. And we just talk for a while. Usually this takes us about an hour or so. And when we're done talking, I edit it all up into about 30 videos for you guys to post on your social media every single day for a month. So let's talk about what gear you need. I suggest a 4K camera. We are using an Elgato 4K webcam for one of our law firms, and it looks amazing. Then you also need a good microphone and probably like a boom stand. I like the Rode microphone, Logitech, and Shure. And then you're going to want to attach the microphone to your desk with a boom stand, is what it's called. I got my mini boom arm in white for $19.99, and it attaches to my desk. Now let's look at a few samples.
No one wants to be involved in an accident. One of the first things that's going to happen is you're going to need to talk to an insurance adjuster. Insurance adjusters know far more about how to hold the value down of claims than the average person. Lawyers, on the other hand, we understand what evidence the insurance company needs to be presented with in order to get maximum value on your case. Sometimes we find that multiple people call 911 after they witnessed a car accident. That can be great evidence because you have more than one person who can testify about what happened.
I love working with that law firm. These are really brand new samples. One of them was filmed more low res. Once we realized it was low res, we went up and got some of the better gear and got us set up a little bit better. And this is just their style. You're going to decide what your culture is, what you want. Reach out to me by texting or calling me anytime. My cell phone is 415-302-6991. There's no obligation to keep going, but it's a great idea to keep people seeing you every single day on social media. So reach out now while this offer is still available.